butterfly, feeling niya ba nasa tabi lang ang kanyang papa or daddy ko, ano man yung tao.
Yes. Tingin namin na, sabi nila si Pop is here, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi, and then the other, parang we were all parang, ganyan-ganyan. Parang that was already after. We were all just sitting around. And I didn't notice it naman kasi syempre I was so intent on looking at Clara. So parang other people were saying, kanina pa yan, lumilipad-lipad here. Pero it landed on Frank when you were already sitting down na parang nag-unwind na kami before proceeding to the reception. We were just making kwento there. Parang, then biglang dumapo na nga yung butterfly sa chest. Tapos ayaw umalis. Kahit na gusto nilang kunin to maybe make it, set it free already outside. Fine, it's Franz, diba? It's a living thing. And then the first time I saw it on one of the ninangs, si Cecil Zamora, she has a blog. She's a writer for The Star. Then she wrote about it. And then that's the first time I read about, parang they're communicating, our dearly departed, parang they find ways to communicate with live beings or even inanimate objects. Kasi there's this thing about Bitoy, doon naman vase sa house niya, may face ni Franz. Yeah, it's on YouTube. Yan yung title, Can You See Francis? That happened like after the burial yata. Yun, his wife called me up. So she was the one who saw it there.
Sa ninth day after my dad passed, may mass dun sa Christ the King, and then parang may butterfly na pumasok dun sa chapel. Kind of butterfly, kept on flying around the chapel, and yun, until na dumikit sa akin, nagland dun sa polo ko. Ayaw umalis kahit tumating ko.
So feeling mo parang si daddy pa rin yun, na parang ayaw pa kayong iwan?
Siguro, pwedeng ganun eh. Kasi, wala, syempre pagka, alam mo yan, para mawalan tayo ng yung mahal sa buhay, talagang mag-iisip tayo ng mga ganitong klaseng bagay na, uy, baka si Pop yun.
Hindi naman sa ayaw